Alright, so I'm making this video really quick. Um, I forgot to make it when I got these, but I'm selling them and I wanted to show you guys what I got real quick. It's the Nike Air Raid, the Fear of God Nike Air Raid. Um, they're a really great shoe, honestly. They aren't doing very well resale, but the bigger sizes are doing all right. But I think if you hold on to them, they'll sell more. But I'm trying to get some money back for other raffles. But the quality on these is crazy. The suede and the leather on the back is very high quality, very buttery. The color on these is great too. It's the same as the Fear of God one. It's the light bone, which is just like white with gray added to it, which makes it look creamy. And it comes with an extra set of laces that are more of a white, so the contrast is pretty cool. I would probably switch out for these just because I like the lace contrast on shoes. I usually switch out at least one of them. I believe these have the double air, Zoom Air. I know that the Fear of God ones had double Zoom Air. I think these do too. But yeah, that's all I wanted to really show you. It was just a quick glimpse at what these shoes look like. The only thing that really kept from the original Nike Air Raid was the double strap that crosses the front. I think the Jordan 8 did too, but that was more like two straps that they combined into one, and these are actually like two separate straps. But yeah, it's a good shoe. I just won them in a men's 7. So if it was a Jordan 1, they'd be worth a lot, but these are going for more and bigger sizes. I really like the shoe. It's understated. If I had a pair, I'd wear them. But yeah, it's a good looking shoe. What do you guys think about it? A lot of people don't really like it, but it's a very simple design. Jerry Lorenzo is kind of known for that, making things simple but new, with like a new look. But yeah, these are very cool. And they're going bye bye. Alright guys, that's it.